Hi, my name is Carolina Caycedo. I'm a Colombian visual artist, and the piece I'm presenting at the exhibition at Kemper, Seeds, Containers of a World to Come, is called Ñañay Kukuli, Soam Bawi Vinag Anki Kum, which means in Maya Yucateco, in Peruvian Quechua, and in Tohono O'odham languages, sister purple corn, sister brown tepary bean, and sister squash. And they are wood sculptures, wood renderings of the three sisters, which is an agricultural technique that started in the northeastern part of the North American continent, and then spread down to the rest of the continent. And it's an agricultural technique that where you grow together. Corn is the first thing you grow. The stalks grow high, then you plant the bean, and the bean starts to kind of weave itself up the corn, and then you plant the squash that keeps moisture and provides a fresh environment in the ground. These are called the three sisters because they support each other when they're growing together, and they also provide a complete nutritional meal for the human body. What I wanted to do is to acknowledge that these plants, corn, squash, and beans, are consumed, are grown, are taken care of by peoples all across the Americas. And what I did is to choose a seed of each of these subcontinents. From North America, I chose the brown tepary bean, which has been a bean taken care of by the southwestern people, in this particular case, the brown tepary bean by the Tohono O'odham people. It's a particular seed from Tohono O'odham village called Manager's Dam. The squash is a common squash seed. It was first domesticated in Mesoamerica, and this is a seed from the Yucatan Peninsula. And the corn is a sacred purple corn from the Andes, specifically from the Andes in Peru. Each seed is rendered in a wood that resembles the natural color of the seed. So the purple corn is rendered in Brazilian purple heartwood. The brown tepary bean is maple, and then the squash seed is alder. Each of these wood renders are cradled in hand-woven baskets made of jute, very typical kind of baskets or carry-in bags that you find all across markets in Latin America. And they were done by a weaver and person who works with textiles that has collaborated with me. Her name is also Carolina, back in Colombia. And each bag is woven to the size and kind of the shape of the seed in very straightforward knots, though there's different knots in the baskets. And we wanted to hang them and cradle the seeds, kind of talking about the reciprocity relationships we have with this particular crops and seeds, corn, squash, and beans, how they provide us nutrition only if we take care of them, only if we plant them, give them the water, allow them to receive sun, and have the kind of temperature and conditions that they need to grow for them to then nurture us. They are hanged in a triangular shape in the space, inviting the audience to kind of come and stand in between these seeds and kind of be cradled by them too. So again, speaking about how we take care, how they take care of us, and how this reciprocal relationship hopefully continues to live and be alive and be taken care of by us and by the seeds themselves.